Hey guys, this is Monster today bringing you another video, and this video is on a Minecraft tutorial. I've decided to restart the series up, but it'll be on houses, pardon me, and builds. So this episode, it was a similar house I built on Joe's server, Old School Gamer House's server. My design. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Right, so this is what you want first. You want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high. So basically, you want them like that first, on both ends. 5 high, 2 by 5, and then you want to remove that. And the same on the other side, yeah. And you need the pillar quartz block to make the door stand out. So then you come along into the house and we start like so. On. Yeah, that's right. So then we do that. Right, and then we get. I think, yeah, we need the dark oak fence, right? So then we put that there. Put that there as well. Put the glass here. And we come 2 along with the glass pane. And we put that there. Put that there. This was the design I used on Old School Game House's channel, by the way. It's a very good design for jungle. No, not jungle. It's dark oak wood. Yeah, for dark oak wood. So then you do that, and then you bring this along and you fill this in, and then you will put that there as well. So that's your 5th window. So we do this the exact same design on the other side. So then there. And there. 2 up, 1 on each side. The exact same side as each of us. Glass right there, like that. Like so. And this is where your stairs come in again. Like that. Like yeah. Got that? Right, so we now add a bit of decoration to the sides. Right, so we will move that a minute. We'll get a glowstone or whatever glowing block you need. Like a pumpkin, it's your choice, but you can't be torches. It can't be torches. Alright, so we'll put that back. The dark oak leaves, you need them. And then we'll put on top. And then we'll do that. Same on this side, guys. Exact same on this side. Right. So now that the 5th set is done, we'll move on to the house a bit. So the 2nd floor, sorry. So what you want to do here is add another one to this. So now that we've done that, we've got this door done and all that, we will now move on to the roof. If I can remember rightly, the roof It had a white ceiling. Yeah, it did have a white ceiling. Like so. Like, just pause it in the video if you want to copy the design. I'm not bothered. You can have this design. I give permission for anyone to use it because it's a really good build. If I won't be able to finish this video off, there will be a part 2. I'm letting you know, guys. Okay? Alright, so I think, I think this is where the half slab pillar pillar quartz come in. I think they go there. I think that's what I've missed out. Do they? Yeah, no. Oh yeah, yeah. So then we'll put. And then this is where I like this design. I do. I really like it. I don't know why. I'll be doing the second floor on the next episode, but I'm just putting this around it. So, oh, sorry guys. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, and again. I'm really sorry about that, guys. Right, so that'll go like that for now. Right. So we move on to the next, like, then the second set of windows will be the exact same. Yeah? So we will add, like so. Like you're trying to build like a lamp, right? Exact same as the other design, yeah? So you add them. Oh, guys. And then it's like that. So far, that's what the house looks like. Okay, so same design, exact same. Alright, let's just go on in a minute. Right. Like that. Like so. And then we'll fill this in. Like, this is where I show you how I did the corners. This, guys, is how I did the corners, right? Right, like that. Like so. And now, right, now, this, personally, this is this is the design I like inside. I'll just show you a little bit of interior design. Right, so you really need This for this one. Same on that side. Same on every side actually. We'll do a bit of the interior design. And then we need books, yeah. Like so. Yep, everyone got that? Yep. So then that adds like a nice glow to the back, yeah. So then it goes like this. Inside it does go like this. And then we'll add a door. Now this is where the floor comes in. Get rid of all of them you don't need, yeah? We need them. They're the only things you'll need, yeah? You know you'll need end stone, yeah? And you'll need yeah, that's right. If I remember right, this is how the design went. No? Like so. Right. And this is how you're doing the floor design, guys. Right. Right, guys, yeah, so that's that done. Right, if you want like add some design like I'm doing like that, or like add anything of that type, just do this. So like I put the stairs and all that crap, and you'll want a big screen, yeah, like that. And you want the same on the other side. Yeah. Like that. And I want the same design. So there you go, guys. I mean, I need to have the box back. And try to spice the place up. You can maybe add like a couple of jukeboxes. And I'll maybe to like spice the place up. Right, so guys, oh yeah, I forgot about the windows. Oh shit, don't have them. Oh, I'm sorry guys. You only have a bit of window here. So guys, so yeah, that is the modern house in my eyes. if you did enjoy this, please like for more. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Also comment on what you thought on the video, and if you want me to do more of these type of videos. Also go check out Graham House's channel. Yeah. He also makes good content. Yeah. So if you have please like, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're new for more videos, also leave a comment. This is Matt Stefan signing out. Peace.